Welcome back, CAD students. Today, instead of doing notes, I'm going to have you walk through this video to learn how to do a basic part drawing from a file. I've given you this file. I call it drawing block, but it really is this U-shaped file. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead once you've opened it and create a very basic drawing. So once you open it, I want you to go to New and hit Make Drawing of Part. That's going to bring us to this box, and we're going to select ANSI Landscape as our drawing style. And you're going to give it a minute to pull in your stuff. You should have a view palette over here that says, okay, which views you want to see. In our standard drawing, I'm going to click and drag in about right there, the top view. And I'm not going to change anything about the top view, so I'm going to green check that and reopen this tab, and I'm going to do drag and drop in the front view. Notice it'll try and line that up for you because the front view should be right below the top view. And I don't need to change anything about that, so I'm going to leave that. I'm going to drag in a right view, and it helps us line that up. Like that. And then the last thing in this drawing is I want to be able to see what this part really looks like, so I'm going to drag in an isometric view. Now notice when I try and put this here, it's really too big. So when it opens up, I want to do a couple things in the palette. I want to change my view. I'm going to open this window a little bigger so you can see it. I want to change my view so it looks like it's isometric. And I want to change its size. I got to make it smaller than a 1 by 1, so I'm going to make it a 1 by 2. And now it fits better in there. So we have these basics done. There is a problem though, that typically when we do drawings, if you remember back when we were doing our isometric drawings, you want the most important, or the drawing that gives the most detail about what your part really looks like, to be your front view down here. And I would argue that's this view right here, not this bottom view. This doesn't tell me as much as this top view does. So we're going to go up to Windows, because you should have still have this open, and we're going to go back to our drawing, our CAD file, and we're going to change the view format. So now that we're in this cube here, we need to find the view we like, which is really this view. We want to make this our front view. So we're going to go back to this cube, and we're going to hit the space bar. So I just hit the space bar. It opens up this box, and I'm going to say Update Standard Views, and I want to make this view my front view. And I should get this, or this warning, changing the standard view will change the orientations named, and I'm going to hit yes. Once I do that, I'm going to go back to Window and back to my sheet, and it's going to, it might take a minute, but now you should see that it has reoriented our views. Now, to refresh everything. Okay. So, one thing I want to do now is I want my view here up at the top to kind of show the hidden lines that are in it. So, let me come down here. I'm going to right click this and see if I can find it. Do you see this show hidden? I'm going to click on that, and I can see now those lines. And I'm going to do the same. Let me check out of this box, by the way. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Show or hide edges. So this is a pretty good drawing. I'm happy with the way that the drawing looks for this as a basic, but I do want to update my title block. because it's kind of messy down here. So somewhere on your, now that we've done this, I'm going to green check out of everything. And I want to right click on a space here that's open and do edit sheet format. And we're going to add and change some things. So first thing is the drawing number. If I double click on this, really is supposed to be, this is our first drawing. That shouldn't be the title there. So we're going to do that. When I get into this box, you see how I have an A there? If I'm in the middle, it should open up for me. And it's being a little slow. We're going to call this U-shaped block. If it doesn't fit, change your font size to make it fit into that block. So I'm going to click out of that. In the box above it, I'm going to look for where, at the part where it has the A, I'm going to double click that. That is the school, or the who's making this, the company. So for us, we are Martin Luther High School. Make sure it fits. If not, change your font. I'm going to click out of that box. We are going to add a finish type down here. So I'm waiting for that to open up for me. This is 1060. We're going to write 1060 aluminum. Come out of that box. Oh, I'm sorry, that is the material. So let me update this. So that goes under material. It's thinking. I'm going to pause real quick while my computer thinks. Okay, so now my computer is still a little slow. Let me see if I can get it to type there. For finish type, I'm going to do all over and click out of there. And then we're just going to do two more things in the interest of. Under name of drawing, I want you to put your initials. So I'm going to have mine, and then I'm going to do the date, whatever date you created this. Let me click out of that box. I'm just waiting for it to load. Okay, so mine is probably before yours. Now, technically, we should also be doing the weight and the scale. Most of the scale on this is 1:1, but I'm going to skip doing the weight because it seems like my computer, we'd have to go back to the other file and pull the part weight, and my computer seems like it is not at all happy with all of this. So we're going to click somewhere outside of this, and we are going to hit edit sheet. We should come back, and then this will look like your basic drawing. You can go ahead and save this. And we're going to make all of the changes saved. You may have to tell it where you're going to put it, into your virtual desktop or into your OneDrive. And then, so I'm going to call it U-shaped block drawing. And then you can go ahead and turn in a screenshot of this to help me out and turn in the actual drawing itself.